Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to scan geometry problems with Mathway. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to scan geometry problems with Mathway, all you gotta do is simply go to Mathway. Once you're in your Mathway, to scan your geometry problems with it, you need to open the app. After this, you need to select the geometry option. You need to tap on the camera icon to take picture of the problem, cropping the frame to the algebra. Once you have simply tapped on the simple frame for focus, you need to then select your desired solution method, like solve for x or graph, from the option to get instant answers with step-by-step solutions available via your subscription. So if you're going to do this, you can simply scan geometry problems with Mathway, but you need to be very sure that you have taken a pro subscription or a premium version for it. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.